Hi, I'm Jimmy, and this is my truck. It's a 1960 Chevrolet, a one-ton farm truck dually that they use as a cattle truck. They hauled cows in this truck. They did it for years. We're going to turn it into a mobile bar. I got with Coldbreak and got their equipment, and we're going to put 4 taps on the side of this. But that is not what this video is about. This video is about a contest that Coldbreak is putting on. It's the Coldbreak's Jockey box, the world's largest jockey box with 10 taps in it. Some of the things they want to know is, why do we want it? Well, the reason we want it is because we're going to use it with our truck. We can, put it out front. We can put it on the sides. We can take the panels off, use it more as a flatbed. It just the world of possibility it opens up. Not only does it open up for the theme of it all, but with 14 taps would be 10 out of that jockey box, and 4 off our truck, 14. That's a lot of taps. We could do any event. Nothing's too big for us. And we have a place to hide all the kegs and all that. That works really good. Why do we want it? Well, we want it because of the intended use. That's probably the main reason. Well, the main reason it's cool. That is the coolest thing. Could you imagine talk about the talk of the town, the life of the party. We're going to have 10 tap jockey box. 10. So go ahead, like this video so we can win, because we want the 10 tap, the world's largest Coldbreak jockey box. Well, here we are in the back of the truck like we're talking over here. So this opens it up. So we can use the back of the truck. We can use the 4 on the side of the truck. We can even have a chicken if you need. So this really makes our tap truck just 14 taps. Who has 14 taps? This is the world's largest 10 tap. That's 4 taps. Go like.